Hey everyone, it's Holly. If you are new to my channel, welcome. I do a lot of cooking, travel, homeschooling, and motherhood videos. So if you enjoy any of those things, I really hope that you would subscribe and stay tuned. Okay, I'm talking again about universalyums. We just received our third box and we are very excited about our new country. Now, if you are not familiar with universalyums, I have done a few videos previously explaining that it is a subscription box where once a month we get a box full of sweets and treats from a country somewhere around the world. We never know what country we're gonna get, so that makes it a lot of fun when we are surprised with our new country. And I am incorporating this into our homeschooling because whatever country we end up with, that is the country that we are going to study that month. And last month's box, we got the country of Poland. So we dug right into it and studied all kinds of things about Poland. It was very interesting and a lot of fun. So I am very excited just about this whole year of doing universalyums because I love traveling and I absolutely love geography. I want to do more with geography with my kids. I want to study more countries, but the problem is there are so many countries in the world. So which country do I pick? This way, universalyums gets to pick them for me. They get to send me a country of their choice, and that ends up being the country we end up studying. So let's jump into it right now and check out what country we got this month with our box of universalyums.
All right, unboxing for the first time, and we got the country of France. That's right, we are off to France. Very excited about this. I love France and can't wait to try some treats from this country and study it more. So let's check out all the treats we got inside. We got Brett chips with a garlic flavor. We also got Brett chips with a balsamic and onion flavor, and then a cheese flavored corn snack, apricot and vanilla cookies, strawberry bonbons, chewy candies, these delicious looking butter cookies, chocolate truffles, a dark chocolate bar with sea salt crystals, and a mystery yum bag. Lots of fun stuff here. Time to reveal it to my kids. As always, I like to make it a mystery to them and see if they could guess first what country we are going to be doing.
Okay, before we open up the box, let's all guess what country it is in. I have told them a hint that it is in Europe.
I think it's in Turkey. I think it's in the United Kingdom. Spain.
Spain? All right, time to reveal the box. Go ahead. What is it?
France. Another yum bag.
It is always an exciting time when we open up the new Universal Yum box and just see all the fun stuff that we got.
All right, first let's sample the chips. Everyone get one to start with and let me know what you think. Or is it?
Good.
Does it have a garlic flavor to it?
Yes. Oh, yeah, that's good.
These have a really good garlic flavor to them, don't they? Yeah. What did you say they taste like?
Garlic bread.
Yeah, they do. Next, we want to try these apricot vanilla cookies. All right, so this is what they look like. What do they taste like?
A macaron.
Macaron? Yeah, probably. Macarons? Am I saying that right? There's macaroons, there's macarons, and macarons are like a French cookie. So you're right, they do have the same taste as like a macaron. Next, we are going to try the strawberry bonbon chewy candy, which I'm sure the kids are gonna like. How's that taste?
Good. It tastes like strawberries.
It is a chewy candy, I'm sure, because it says chewy candy. It tastes like strawberry bubble gum. We are going to sample this chocolate here. This looks really good. I'm a big fan of dark chocolate. I just love the box. I think it's really pretty with the Eiffel Tower. And you have like other buildings and monuments in Paris. Good. Good chocolate. Do you taste that?
Sea salt.
Sea salt flavor. Yeah, 47%.
And you like it?
Oh, it's so good. I love that. It's got the perfect balance of the salt crystals. Go ahead and open up the yum bag here so we can see what's inside. We have caramels and then different fruits, and we will enjoy that on another sampling day. All right, first we're gonna try the corn snacks. What do those taste like?
It tastes like pirate booties. Also tastes like a veggie stick.
Tastes like a cheese puff. Or like a Cheeto. Okay, I'm not even gonna try to pronounce this.
Look, it says 1888 on it.
Yeah, it has the date on it of when I guess the company was founded, because it says that right here. 1888. It's a very old cookie company, I guess.
It doesn't taste like a cracker. It tastes like a little cookie.
It's like a butter cookie. These are the kind of cookies that you want to have with like coffee or tea.
Yeah, it's not very sweet.
What do you think?
It's good. It's maybe not my favorite.
So good.
But it's so good.
It's good.
Now for the little candies from the Yum Bag. Ooh. There was 4 of them, so
I got raspberry
everyone
flavored.
had discussed what flavor they wanted.
Look at this.
What is yours?
Orange.
Yours is orange?
Looks
Okay.
like this.
Good. All right.
It's this color.
You have to tell me how it is since I did not try one. Is it?
Mine
Like
is
a
raspberry.
Starburst.
Does it? It looks like a Starburst.
I can't bite on these, so I just suck on them.
Yeah, that's okay. You can suck on it. Let's try these onion and balsamic vinegar potato chips. Is that a good flavor? Good combination? That's a good flavor. Now for the truffle bars. There's 4 in here, so we're gonna have to split these up. Here's what they look like. So you can see they're like a dusted chocolate. All right, I cut them in half. Everyone can take one.
I can taste the chocolate.
They just melt in your mouth or what?
They melt in your mouth.
Nice, yummy looking truffle here. That is delicious. I love just the texture of that chocolate. Yep, definitely one of my favorites. Now we're gonna try the salted butter caramels that came in the Yum Bag. Does that melt in your mouth? Yeah. What was your absolute favorite from the France box?
This one. The dark chocolate.
The dark chocolate with sea salt?
Yeah, pretty
What
good.
was your favorite?
The garlic potato chips.
The ones that tasted like garlic bread?
With the salt butter caramel.
Oh, what you're eating right now?
These were my favorite treats out of our France box. The name I can't pronounce, but these were some delicious butter cookies. So of course we got our map of France here that has all the different countries and body of water that France borders, as well as some cool fun facts about the country of France. On the other side is the area for our scoreboard, and then there was a scavenger hunt. Inside of the booklet there were so many interesting things to read as we explored France. So I always enjoy seeing what's in the book. There was France in 60 seconds, different things that you might not have known about France, as well as a recipe for mushroom galettes. Then the trivia page where we always learn a lot of interesting facts about the country. Then there are the pages that will go through all the different snacks and sweets, as well as the nutrition facts. A lot of fun quizzes and games in here. A pop quiz on painters of Paris and fashion in France. A day in the life in France will conclude with a recipe for crepes. And I gotta tell you, I love crepes, and I got real inspired that I went and bought a crepe maker, and we made crepes one day. We used the recipe that was in the booklet. They turned out really good, and it was just extra fun to get to experience this French treat as we were studying the country. As well as another quiz, there is also Take a Stroll Through Paris, sharing different highlights in the city of Paris and French cuisines. Well, that is it for our France box. As you can see, we really enjoyed getting this country, and just getting to study it more in depth was really a treat. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button, and I hope that you have a wonderful day.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Au revoir.